Side by side with our operational activities in the military front, AMISOM Police has continued to support the enhancement of the institutional capacity of the Ministry of Internal Security and in the training and mentoring of state police officers. In compliance with the relevant provisions of the UN Security Council Resolution 2472 of May 2019 and the AU Peace and Security Council Communique of its 865th meeting of 7 August 2019, we have, jointly with the federal government of Somalia and the UN, constituted a tripartite and co-led team to conduct the threat assessment as provided for by the UN and the AU. This exercise will inform the conditions under which the African Union is going to implement the third drawdown of 1,000 troops by February 2020 and serve as a prerequisite for other mandated tasks, chiefly aligning AMISOM's CONOPS. We are making preliminary plans for AMISOM to support the Somali security forces to create a secure environment for a peaceful electoral process. To this effect, we have started discussions on ways and strategies to ensure adequate security as a member of the already constituted Electoral Security Task Force. The federal government of Somalia is leading the preparations, and as AMISOM, we are prepared and ready to be part of the process to ensure success of these landmark elections in the history of Somalia by involving our civilian component and help with our police and military components enhance security prior to, during, and after the elections. As we prepare to implement the third phase of the transition plan, I wish you all a happy festive season and a prosperous new year.